Hey guys, how you doing? It's Dan Froelke again with Instant Cash Solution, and I want to share with you some results today. I also want to show you some brand new technology that we're using called Press One technology, and it's how we are getting leads and sales for our Instant Cash Solution business, and it's truly amazing how this work is very efficient and low cost. Okay, I want to share that with you, but first I've got some results for you here, because every once in a while I say people ask me, hey Dan, it's around the holidays, is it still working? Are you still getting sales? Absolutely. Actually, just like the title says above, $2,500 in 1 week with Instant Cash Solution. I'm actually averaging more than that, about $3,000 a week. But I want to show you some results right now. And then I want to share with you, like I said, a brand new technology called Press One technology that we're using to get leads and sales in our business. So what I want to do right now, well, first, sorry, if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I really appreciate it. I've got a lot of videos on Instant Cash Solution. There's a full review. It's going to be at the end of this video. And I actually have a video that shows people how to post on Craigslist and on Facebook groups. Okay, we're also getting leads and sales with free, low-cost methods like that. As a matter of fact, that's what we're all about. All right, so if you ever struggled online of getting leads, this is an awesome business, because we have all the training, all the display ads, everything you want in the back office here. We have a great autoresponder with follow-up emails. Plus, you can email your list within, okay? So you can broadcast to your list. So that's really cool too. And if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. This channel is all about how to make money online, how to generate a full-time or part-time income so you can create a life of financial freedom and time freedom. And that's really what I'm all about, spending more time with my family and friends. And Instant Cash Solution is really the way to do that. All right, so let's log into my back office. I want to show you some results really quickly, and then I want to share with you a brand new technology called Press One technology. Okay, so really quickly, I want to show you some results that I've gotten. As it says right above here, $2,500 in 1 week with Instant Cash Solution. So let's log in. Let me get me out of the way here. Okay, let's log in right now, and I want to show you that this is my account again. That's me. Okay, we're going to go back here, click on commissions for December. And that is right here. And let me move this over a little bit here. Okay, so what we want to do, let's go back. Let's do a week. All right, so this is Monday. So I want to go back Saturday, December 8th through just this past Saturday, just a couple days ago. All right, so we've got the 8th right here. So we've got 3, 4, 5, and we've got 1,000 here. Okay. So we've got 1,500, 16, 17, 18, 19, that's 2,000, plus the 5, $2,500 in 1 week from Saturday to Saturday. All right. Just want to show you those results there. Very simple copy and paste system. And I want to show you what I did. And you know, I started this journey in October. Okay, so here's October, over $7,000. October. Now in November, it was an awesome month. Okay, over $16,000 with Instant Cash Solution. And I've got things I put in place for people who join me. Okay, I truly believe in making money at the service of others rather than the expense of others. So I always put a lot of value, and I put things in place for people who join me. Now, if you want to see all the bonuses that I offer, all you have to do is click the link below and opt in. All right, you're going to be redirected to a page, a little bridge page. I introduce myself, but I have lots of bonuses. Like I said, I put a lot of things in place that are going to help people who join me help them win. Okay, so I want you to check that out. But now I want to share with you brand new technology that I'm using and people on my team are using to generate leads in sales. It's called Press One technology, and I want to show you that right now. So I want to show you a brand new tool that myself and people on my team are using to generate more leads and get more sales in our instant cash solution business. So what we're using is this brand new site called Press One Cash. Okay, what that does, it's Press One technology. Rather explain everything, how it works, I want to walk you through exactly how we're using it. Okay, so when you join Press One Cash, you will get a phone number. Okay, so it's automatically generated for you right when you join, and it works along with your area code. Okay, so whatever area code that you have, it's going to generate another number for you. And this number, you're going to advertise it. Well, this is how I'm doing it anyway. There's all kinds of ways to do it. But I'm advertising it in local newspapers, regional newspapers, and college newspapers. Okay, for example, and this is very reasonable. Okay, you can reach 1 million newspapers for $180. All right. And again, very reasonable. You can reach a lot of people using this classified ad agency. And that's what this is. Nationwide newspaper advertising. I want to show you something that is working for me too. Advertising in the college newspapers. All right. And I actually did a YouTube video on that. You might want to check that out. So we're using Press One technology along with advertising of a phone number, and you can't get any easier than that. Okay, so here's how it works. And again, I'm just going to explain to you how I'm using it. Me and people on my team are using it. Okay, so when people call this number, they listen to a message, and I'm going to play that for you right now. Now, when you join Press One Cash, you automatically get a message. Okay, it's a 45-second message, and it'll actually work for a lot of opportunities out there because it's very generic. Okay, but me, I spent a little more money, and I had one written for me and recorded professionally for me and Instant Cash Solution. So I want to call this number right now, and I want to play it for you. All right, I'm going to call that right now, and let me get the number here. 763-325-1721. Okay, and I'm going to hold this up to the microphone here. Hopefully you can hear it.
Please press the 1 key at any time during this presentation to have more information texted to you. Hello, this is Dan, and thanks for calling in. You could be generating $100 to $500 a day working from home with this new automated system. In fact, we've got thousands of members doing just that with our Press One marketing and our amazing products. This isn't multi-level marketing, and there's no products to stock in your garage or basement. You could realistically be generating $100 to $500 or more within the next few hours. This is not a job. You're paid direct from customers daily and instantly. We have easy-to-follow online training that walks you through the process. You'll receive your very own website designed to get results fast. You won't have to do any selling or explaining,
So
and
it's going to tell them
calling.
to press 1
Our automated
for more
system
information.
will do all that for you. So if you're serious about generating cash daily and can follow a couple simple steps to get started, and understand this is not a job, that you will be an independent sales rep working for yourself, then press 1 now to get details texted.
Okay, I'm going to press 1.
This is the easiest and most lucrative. Great. More information will now be texted to your phone.
Okay, then I just received a text, and I'll show you that right now. I felt it vibrate, and here it is right there. Can you see that? It says, here's the info you requested, and it's a URL all you have to do is click that, and it goes right to my instant cash solution capture page with I created. Okay, if you want one of those, I can create one for you too. But yeah, okay, just like that, instant cash solution, more leads, more sales using Press One technology. All right, there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, I showed you some more results with my instant cash solution business, $2,500 in 1 week with instant cash solution. I also showed you a brand new tool that we are using to generate more leads and sales in our instant cash solution business. Okay, so hey, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification so you are then notified when I upload a brand new video, which is going to be a lot in 2019, because this instant cash solution is on fire. I can't wait till January, February, March. Those are the busiest months out of the whole year. So I'm really excited about that. So anyway, if you have any questions about instant cash solution, I'll be standing by to answer them. All my contact information is below. Now, this is probably the last video that I'm going to be making until the new year. So I wish you and your family a very, very happy holidays and a very prosperous new year. And it will be with instant cash solution. Okay? Have a great marketing day.